guys, welcome back to my channel. Day 3. So as you
Welcome
know, I
back
have
to your
scored a
channel.
century. Come on. Sorry. So I have scored a century. Even this guy was there.
So these are our new members.
Not new members. Just they are like temporary. Not even temporary. They just came to play. So let's start.
Wait.
Right guys. Yes, me. Undi.
Done. Boundary. So the score is 1-1-2. The score is 1-1-2. Yes. Please count your balls. I mean score actually.
Okay. The ball is last. I don't know.
So now the score is 116.
I'm only dealing with boundaries, guys. Hey, look at it. Some
So Mr. Sonu is doing pace.
uh,
118. 119. So one more 2, like you know. So you need 31 runs.
for century, half century. 150.
I think you will do 200 only today.
Huh?
120, 121, more 29 runs needed. Whoa, no back runs. Oh, 122.
Sorry. Line there?
Oh. Oh, clean wicket, bro. 123 score.
Reaction time!
So,
No.
Mr. Puri is gonna start his villain arc.
Batting వికెట్ పడ్డదంటే వేరే వాళ్ళు వేయాలి.
So his score is 123 after he lost. So set up the wicket, guys. So Mr. Puneet is angry. He started his villain arc. So Sonu's score is 0 for now. So Sonu's score is 1. Oh! Phantom 2. So Sonu's score is 2. So Sonu's score is I can see the confidence, bro. Sonu's score is 2.
कुछ बोले మారే అంటే 50 కూడా కొట్టలేదు 30 కూడా కొట్టలేదు
2
2 2 2 by 120
Bye.
Bro is so he's running away. He's that much ashamed. Cut just
So guys, we will be ending the video right here because most of the members are
noob.
yeah. So I think when Gaurav comes now, then we'll start the video again. Day again.
Day 4.
Day 4.
Nah.
So day 4 I
So
have scored.
most of them will probably be out before half century.
Yeah.
That is why Mr. Puneet actually wins.
So when Gaurav comes now, then we'll start
Day 5. Day 4.
So bye guys.
Bye. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.